Previously in part 3.
We'll be focusing on shooting for the end result. You're going to shoot with the thought of connecting each shot with each other in a way where it makes sense, not just to you, but to the video in.
What is up, YouTube? In part 4 on how to create any videos, we will focus on, sorry for the interruption, editing to the music. Intro.
Hey, it's Marc-Albert. How you doing today? Wait, if you need to make content about photography, filmmaking, and much more, my hope is by each video that you are inspired to create. So please stick around and find out. You never know, you might learn something. Let's go.
Alright, for this video, I'll be using Adobe Premiere Pro to edit. If you use something else, don't freak out. The concept is the same. So let's jump into Premiere. Alright, so now that we are in Premiere Pro, you can literally see all the 3 footage that I already have selected, as well as the music that is in green. So everything in purple that's at the top is basically the footage. Alright, so let's get started. So we are editing to the music. So to edit to the music, it's very simple. So you have 2 different options. The option is, if you have a song that has a vocal on it, you can actually go based on every sentence that's starting with the vocalist, and then just put your frame, whatever footage that you want as soon as he starts the sentence, you just put it right there, and then just keep on going, so that way the music can sing very seamlessly, right? Or if it's just the instrumental, pardon me, if it is just the instrumental, then you find like a specific beat into the song that you can just go with it, and you just mark it, and then you just go right ahead, go back, and then you put your footage right on top of that. Let me play the song so that we can have an idea of what I'm talking about. And every time I do this, that means it's the beat that I'm going over, okay? And then if you're using Premiere Pro, there's the M button. If you tap the M button, that you put a mark on it as it's playing.
That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel when I know that it's not about you, just me. So from what you just listened right there, it's it's starting with the vocal, and you have the snap of the finger. It's very quick, so you can go every other snap to actually put the footage if you have a lot of footage. Every other snap or every snap to go with it. But when he goes towards the very end, I think like right here, when he goes like right there, when I know that it's not about you, just me. So in that part also, if you have enough footage, you can just go with that beat. However, I probably won't be using this part of the song, but I want to just focus more on the instrumental, so that way you can kind of like get used to the part if you don't have a vocal, because with the vocal it's pretty easy, but with the instrument it's gonna be based on what your ears tells you, and then you're just gonna go by that, and then just go by the ear a little bit. So beat is gonna drop right about here, and then we're gonna hear it. You, just me. 'Cause I was made to be free. So I don't know if you hear that. So I'm gonna go with that. So every single part of it, I'm just going to mark it. I'm just gonna tap M on the keyboard, and then it's just gonna tell you I'm just marking it, and you should be able to see it on the screen at the same time. Okay. All right. Let's play that again. Let's play that again. All right. Cause I was made to be free. All right, so all those green little marks that you see on top are pretty much where the beat does that little part right there. So all I'm gonna do is spread it out a little bit, and then go back and forth and just bring the footage back to it. All right, so for every 2 mark, that's when we get the part. So here we go. That's 1. There's one in between that kind of almost have similar beat, but it's not the same. Right over here and right over here. However, this one, that one, and that one is exactly where that specific bit that I'm looking for is. So cause I was made to be free. There you have it. This is how you edit to the music. I will see y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Peace.